I'm going to be returning this because it started smoking and this is not safe. It smells like smoke. I thought it was just me. I was doing something wrong, but this item, it only powered on once when I plugged it into the AC adapter. As you see, I'm using an extension cord here. But even so, it shouldn't start smelling like burn like this. I was trying to use it my micro SSD cards. And even if these are like wrong fittings, this shouldn't be trying to smell like. As you can see, power button on. Plug in, no dice. Maybe it's me, maybe it's because I'm using an extension cord. Okay, so we're gonna go to main power source. Direct power source. Right here, in a wall. Plug it in. Nothing. Came on for a second. That's the second time it actually came on. I've been trying this for hours. But this shouldn't be like this. Anyway, I'm returning it because it's starting to smell like smoke.
Well, here is my hard drive caddy I wanted to buy, and I pondered about getting a lot of, hard drive caddies. This one is the one I want. I guess I got it. Yeah. Alright, so I got this, and it holds an 18 terabyte just fine. Good for my cooking, grilling session. Yeah, I'm grilling, cooking. That has nothing to do with computers no more. No, this ain't computers. Maybe roasting, toasting, Hey, you know what's good about this? Hey, this is what happens. It actually comes with its own, case. Yeah, it comes with its own case, man. Check this out. Hey, I got see, it comes with its own enclosable case, You just put this up on top. I don't understand why people are complaining.